Laundry Detergent Sheets. And you get 160 in each one of these. I got it in the lavender and the fresh linen scent. This is how thick each sheet is. There is a perforated edge right there that you can tear it in half. It does say right along the side of the package how many sheets you should use. You have your load of laundry and you place it on the top. You have small boxes and each box has 160 loads. If you're tearing them in half, they have deep cleaning, they're eco-friendly, fast dissolve, and it comes in an easy to recycle container. There's no waste at all. And these laundry detergents are supposed to be really powerful cleaners, and you don't have a huge giant plastic container to get rid of. These are wonderful laundry detergents if you live in an apartment or don't have your own washing machine at home, or if you're in a dorm or in an apartment in college and you need something really small and super easy to carry. And they both smell so wonderful.